Oyster.
Oyster?
I'm going to present this to you. Good. All right, no issues. Power was good. Surge protector and electrical monitoring system. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're ready to unhook. Who wants to take a nap with me? Let's do it, Blake. Who wants to go to space with me?
Space.
We're the pretty boys. What? Oh, yeah. You on top of Carter? Oh, am I starting?
Fry the potatoes.
Nice and loose.
Here you go, baby. Your potato.
Yes, sir. You gonna be a junior park ranger? Okay. We gotta eat our breakfast and get ready.
Campfire! I love campfire.
We'll do that tonight too. We're gonna go on a big adventure, exploring.
You're going. Oh wait, up there, mommy. Oh wait.
Potatoes turned out good.
Oh yeah, it's delicious, babe.
Sometimes when that's sitting in the heat, they just finally soften. All right, Blake. So official. All right, we'll sit here till 5 o'clock. Sound good? You got one? Just one. Just doing one. One of these. Oh, Carter, you got a lot.
Different too.
Yeah. Just like their personalities.
Yep.
They're complete opposites. All right, Daddy's gonna hold on to these so we don't lose our beads, okay? That's where Daddy went to school. In Chesapeake. There's Hampton. There's the Northern Shore. Look at Blake. Look at the leaf. You see it?
Oh, isn't that cool?
That is pretty. Well, look at your leaf. Carter, do you need help? Oh boy. Here, let's do it over here. You want Daddy to help you? Wow.
All right, there you go. So you can put them on your wire so you don't lose them.
Hold on. I think we found fish, oyster. Saw the longhouse over there. We saw a bird and a special place to meet, which is at Gracie.
Where's Gracie? Where's Gracie?
Blake, did you have fun out there today, Blake? Yes? Yeah. Awesome. Alright. So Mr. Blake,
Raise your hand, Blake.
Mr. Carter, I'm going to present this to you. Wow. So you are Mr. Blake, a junior ranger at Machicomoco,
Yay.
and Mr. Carter, a junior ranger at Machicomoco.
What do you say?
Thank you.
All right, thank
What do you say,
you.
Carter?
You're very
All right.
welcome. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Oh, where's that toothbrush at? Grab it. Glad we added that extra layer. Oh my gosh.
Daddy has it.
Yes, sir. Coming up. Oh, it's beautiful. That's my favorite part of camping. Saturday night meal followed by bonfire,
Yeah.
family time.
Happy camping! Happy camping!
Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. What about mommy? Thank you, guys.
We got ribs. How do you work? Work with that.
I'm not at work. I enjoy this.
I'm eating faster like Bear.
I'm eating faster like Bear. That's one.
I'm getting slower like Bear.
How do you say it?
What is the call game?
Veggie, how do you say it?
All right, Daddy's turn.
Machicomoco.
Your mother.
Oh, is that wrong too?
They can
Forgive us, please.